Hi there! Today we're heading over to downtown Portland to check out the Winter Lights Festival. So let's go! We took the Max down to Pioneer Square, and when we got off, I was just surprised to see the amount of people that were out here celebrating and enjoying the Winter Light Festival. I was so impressed by the amount of people that came out. The event always has a great turnout, but post-pandemic, I feel like things just haven't been the same in the city. So seeing so many people and this cute little fairy dog was probably my highlight of the event. I loved the installations. The artists did such an amazing job bringing their creativity and imagination into life with so many lights and the music and the atmosphere, but also just being able to hang out downtown with so many people and seeing our city being so lively just made me really happy. This event happens every year and it's outdoors, and every year it just gets bigger and bigger. This year they actually had installations at Pioneer Square, at the World Trade Center, and then across the way in Southeast. So it was just really cool to come out and really get to enjoy it. It usually runs for 2 weekends, and this past weekend was the last day. We just really had a great time. We obviously visited during the first weekend because I didn't want to miss out. But I really enjoyed it. There was just so much to see, and I think, like I mentioned, there's just having so many people around just made it really just a great time. There was also a mobile tattoo bus that was parked outside the World Trade Center. I was really impressed with that. I thought it was really cool. It's such a Portland thing, I would say. Unfortunately, I didn't like any of the tattoos that they had for the flash tattoos, so I didn't get any, but I was still pretty impressed and look forward to seeing the ink bus somewhere else. Maybe they'll have other designs that I would want to pick out. But anyways, I'm gonna leave it right here and I'll let you enjoy some of the light installations. I hope if you ever get a chance to visit the Winter Light Festival in Portland, you do so. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.